Hello Kishore, welcome to the session. So we shall start the session with a brief introduction about myself. I'm Alaka and your mathematics educator in Unacademy. I've completed my master's from Manipal Institute of Technology. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience, and if you want to reach out to me, you can either use my Telegram handle or my Instagram handle Alaka and underscore Unacademy. Also, you can follow my profile in Unacademy, whose link has been given in the description box below, so that you will be getting updates regarding my classes. And for your subscription purpose, you can use the code Alaka Live so that you can avail a 10% discount on your subscription. And I welcome you all to Unacademy's new channel JEE Prep English, which is especially for the non-Hindi speaking students. Few announcements has to be made, and after that we will be starting the session. Yes, announcing Unacademy's Grand Test JEE Mains 2022, which has started already from 15th of December. So this is happening every Wednesday and Saturday. You will be getting live strategic proper analysis by top educators, and detailed performance analysis will be also given to you. And also, Ask a Doubt feature is now available in your Unacademy website for all our learners in ITJ. We heard you and upgraded the Unacademy Ask a Doubt feature to suit your need. You can ask up to 3 doubts at a go. You can get solution in your preferred language, and you can submit your doubts through the Unacademy website or through the Learners app. So use this feature as early as possible. And also our super achievers, congratulations to you. These are our rank 1 of class 12 and dropper batch test, which was conducted on 26th of December. The list is too big, as you can see, 2 full pages we have. Yes. Ranha, I believe your name is. Welcome to the session. I cannot read your name properly since you have used some other font. So shall we start the session? We'll start the session with few of the questions. The previous year questions of pair of straight lines will be our today's topic. Okay, perfect. So, the first question for today. The orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines. Two lines ka equation is given. Okay, and one equation is what? Represents the pair of straight lines. 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 9x plus 7y minus 5 equal to 0. Represents what? Our pair of straight lines. And then one more straight line we have with the equation 4x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0. You're supposed to find the orthocenter of the triangle formed by these 3 lines. That is a pair of straight lines and then a straight line. So 3 lines you have. So here you have to use a bit of your logic. You have to observe the question. This is a very simple question. So observe the question and then answer. If you have any doubt, ask. Orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines 2x square plus 3xy minus 2y square minus 9x plus 7y minus 5 equal to 0. Kishore, very good. Right answer, it is option 1. So how did you get the answer? The component of the given pair of straight lines, if you observe, what is it? It's perpendicular to each other, right? The component lines of the given pair of straight lines. So pair of straight lines, if you observe, the component lines are actually perpendicular to each other. You can see. Okay. So what will be the orthocenter? The orthocenter is the point of intersection of these two component lines. Okay, the orthocenter will be the point of intersection of these two component lines. If you calculate it, you can clearly and easily get it as option 1, that is 3 upon 5 and 11 upon 5. Very good work, Kishore. Right answer. Okay, moving on to your second question. Area of triangle formed by the line x plus y equals to 2 and the angle bisectors of the pair of straight lines x square minus y square plus 2y equals to 1 is the area of triangle formed by the line. The line is x plus y equals to 3 and the angle bisectors of the pair of straight lines. So you have two angle bisectors for the pair of straight lines x square minus y square plus 2y equals to 1. So those two angle bisectors and the third line, that is x plus y equals to 3, forms a triangle. You are supposed to find the area of that triangle. Very good, Kishore. Perfect. I'll tell you how to get the answer. Now, if you observe, this is the first question, right? Oh, let me just change the ink size. Question number 1. Yes, we get 2 lines from pair of straight lines. Very good. True. Perfect, Kishore. Kind of impressed. So the pair of straight line is x square plus y square minus y square. X square minus y square plus 2y equals to 1. Okay. This can be also written as what? X equals to plus or minus y minus 1. Taking all the y terms to one side, you can write like this. Okay. And then taking square root. Okay. Now, if I am drawing the 2 lines, I have one straight line to be, say, this, and the other straight line be this. One second. This is supposed to be a straight line. Okay, so the first straight line will be, say, x plus y equals to 1, and the next straight line will be, say, y equal to x plus 1. You can check for yourself. Both the cases we have considered. So here, if you observe, what will be the point of intersection? It will be 0, 1, right? That is the bisector. Just before this class, you did this question. Arre wah, good work, Kishore. So, the bisectors of the above lines are what you will be getting to be equal to. Okay, you will be getting that. Yes, you will be getting that. Let me check if we can get rid of this part, because that is unnecessary. No. Okay, it's fine. So anyways, you will be getting the bisectors we were talking, right? So the bisectors of above lines, you will be getting x equals to 0, okay? R, where R at x equals to 0 and y equals to 1. Okay, so how to reduce the size? 1 second. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Yes, so now if you observe, okay, you have your x-axis, your y-axis, okay, you have your one line, other line, okay, so your first line being 0, okay, the x-axis, y-axis, the point of intersection will be 3, 0, and here the point of intersection will be 0, 3. That is the line. Okay. Which line it is? It is the line, say, x plus y equals to 3. It is given in the question. Okay. Then we have the next set of this one. This would be 0, 1, this point, and this point will be 2, 1 you will get. Okay. Now, the area formed between x equals to 0, the x equals to 0, y equals to 1, okay, and then these are the two lines, okay, so you can consider this line to be equal to y equal to 1, okay, and the third line is what? X plus y equals to 0, okay, is the shaded region. So let me consider the shaded region. The shaded region will be this. Okay, this will be the shaded region. So what is the area? The final area ka calculation we are supposed to do. That is area equals to half into, what is the base unit? 2. Base into height. What is height? 3 minus 1, that is again 2, which is 2 units square. Good work, Kishore. Or square unit. Okay, perfect. Now moving on to your third question. Option 1 was the correct answer. Let me just write. Moving on to your third question. Let PQR be the right-angled isosceles triangle, right-angled at P 2, 1. The equation of the line QR is 2x plus y equals to 3. Then the equation representing the pair of lines PQ and PR is. PQR is a right angle isosceles triangle, right angle at P. The point P is what? 2, 1. If the equation of the line QR is 2x plus y equals to 3 and the equation representing the pair of lines PQ and PR. You're supposed to find the equation of the pair of lines representing PQ and PR. Let me know if you have any doubt. Once you have got the answer, you can just type in the comment section. Slope I got 1 by 3, only one line I got. Yes, 1 by 3 will be one of the slope. Correct. So, if one, how did you get one slope? Because you have solved for the, say, slope with respect to 45 degree, right? So, you are taking modulus value, Kishore. So, in modulus value, when we are getting rid of modulus or absolute value, what happens? Plus and the minus, negative case, both you have to take. Okay? Both positive and negative cases you are supposed to take. So, I believe once you have taken the positive case, you have got the first answer, that is 1 by 3. Now, you are supposed to take the negative case, Kishore. You will be getting the second slope. Once you get two slope, you will be getting what? The two straight lines, that is PQ and PR ka separate equation you will be getting of straight lines. Multiply them, you will be getting the pair of straight lines ka equation. Very good. Perfect, Kishore. Very good. Right answer, Kishore. Option 2 is your right answer. Perfect. Let us see how to do this question. So, second question, right? Yes. Question number, no, this was question number 3, I believe. Sorry. Question number 3. So, in this question, what they have told, they have given an isosceles right triangle. Two sides. अरे यार you have an isosceles right triangle, that is P, Q, R. The point P is what? 2, 1. Okay, and two sides are equal because they are isosceles right triangle it is. Okay, and in that case, what will be the angle of the sides opposite to the equal sides? It will be 45 degree each. These are the properties of an isosceles right triangle. And given that the line QR is having the equation 2x plus y equals to 3. Okay, that much is given. Now, okay, now we have, say, let us consider, let M be the slope of the line PQ. Okay, if M is the slope of the line PQ, what I can observe? Then tan 45 degree will be equal to M minus 2 upon 1 plus M of minus 2 or M into minus 2 का mod value, which can be further written as M plus 2 upon 1 minus 2M का mod value. Okay, and what is tan 45? It is equal to 1. Okay, then after cross multiplying and taking the two conditions, that is positive and negative conditions for modulus, okay, you will be getting one case will be M plus 2 equals to 1 minus 2M, or the second condition will be M plus 2 equals 2M minus 1. So these two are the conditions that you have to consider. From both the conditions, you will be getting the M value. What? First, I can consider M value can be equal to 1 by 3, or it can be equal to what? M value can be equal to 3. So two values of M I can get. Okay, now hence from here I will be getting the equation for PQ. What will be the equation for the straight line PQ? I will be getting y minus 1 equals minus 1 by 3 into x minus 2. Okay, solve this. I will be getting x plus 3y minus 5 equals to 0. That is the equation for PQ. Okay, the next will be the equation for what? The second line. What it will be? The equation for PR. That would be y minus 1 equals 3 times x minus 2. So you have 3x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. Okay. Now, if I am considering the combined or pair of equation, pair of straight line, okay, that is of PQ and PR, will be what? The product of these two lines, that is x plus 3y minus 5 multiplied with 3x minus y minus 5 equals to 0. Open the bracket, you will be getting 3x square minus 3y square plus 8xy minus 20x minus 10y plus 25 equals to 0. That would be a final answer, which is option 2. Option 2 will be your right answer. In the previous case, it was option 1. Perfect. No doubts, I believe. Now, moving on to your fourth question. Question number 4. The fourth question states that the orthocenter of the triangle formed by the lines xy equals to 0 and x plus y equals to 1 is xy equals to 0 and x plus y equals to 1. So the pair of straight line ka equation is given, straight line ka equation is given. What you're supposed to find? The orthocenter of the triangle found by these three lines. Very simple question this is, but you have to use a bit of your logic. Yes, it does form a right angle triangle. True. Keep going, Kishore. You're gonna reach the answer soon. Yes, very good, Kishore. Right answer. Right answer is option 3, that is 0, 0. It states that origin is the center of the, origin is the orthocenter is what they have said. So let us just cross check whether that is true. The fourth question. Question number 4. So here they have given the yes option 3, Kishore. Very good. Okay. So the lines, the 3 lines will be what? Given that xy equals to 0 and x plus y equals to 1. One pair of straight line and a straight line. Okay. So the triangle is formed by which 3 lines? As you can see, the triangle is formed by x equals to 0, y equal to 0, x plus y equals to 1. These 3 set of lines, okay, will help you to form a triangle. Okay, these 3 lines will form your triangle. Okay, now in this triangle, if you observe, clearly it is what? It is a right angle triangle, right? X equals to 0 and y equal to 0 itself will represent that it is a right angle triangle. Okay, so it is a right triangle for sure. And for a right triangle, what is the property? The orthocenter for a right triangle will be always the vertex. Okay, the vertex of right angle. Okay, the right angle ka vertex will be always the orthocenter for a right angle triangle. Okay, now what is the orthocenter or the vertex point or the point of intersection for these 2 lines? Clearly, it will be 0, 0. The origin is going to be the orthocenter. Origin is orthocenter. Clear? The orthocenter of right angles is at vertex of right angle. Yes, very good, Kishore. Perfect. So, I believe there are no doubts in this question as well. Very good. Yes, perfect. One second. Let me check if I can increase the size of the page. Perfect. Moving on to your 5th question, everyone. Question number 5. Try the question. Statement 1 is given, statement 2 is given, and the 4 options are based on the statement 1 and 2. What is statement 1? F minus h equals a plus b. Then one line of the pair of lines, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, bisects the angle between the coordinate axes in the positive quadrant. And statement 2 states that if ax plus y into 2h plus a equals to 0 is a factor of ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0, then b plus 2h plus a equals to 0. Try it. If you have any doubt, ask. So option 1 states that both statements are true, but statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. Option 2 states both statements are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation for statement 1. And third option is statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. And the other one, that is option 4, statement 1 false, statement 2 true. Areva, very good, Kishore. Right answer. Second option is the right one. Let us see how to do this question. That is the fifth question. This is clear, right? This boldness. Yes, let me try this. I hope more thickness is not necessary. Yeah, that is not necessary. Yes. So, fifth question. If we are putting, say 2h is given, right, equals minus, one second. Yes, minus a plus b, okay. If we are putting this in our equation, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Okay. Then what do we get? We get that 2, no, not 2. We will be getting ax square minus of a plus b into xy plus by square will be equal to what? 0 you will get. Okay. Or if I am factorizing this, what do I get? I will be getting x minus y into ax minus by equals to 0. Okay. Therefore, what is your conclusion? One of the lines bisect the angle between the coordinate axes in positive quadrant. Okay. You will be getting that one line, okay, one of the line will bisect the angle between coordinate axes. Between the coordinate axes, okay, in positive quadrant. Now, if we have, say, b equals to minus 2h minus a, if I am substituting in ax minus by, then what do we get? We will get that ax minus by is equal to ax minus of minus 2h minus a into y, which is ax plus 2h plus a into y. Okay, hence you can see that ax plus 2h plus a into y is what? Is a factor of what? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Okay, so your conclusion is your statement 1 and your statement 2 both are true statements, but my statement 2 is not the correct explanation. It is not the correct explanation for my statement 1 or of statement 1. Okay, so my right option will be what? Second option. Okay, The correct option is option 2, which is both statement 1 and 2 is correct or true statements, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation for our statement 1. It is separately true. Moving on to your sixth question, question number 6. Try it. X plus y equals to 7 and 2x square plus 2hxy plus ay square is equal to 0 are three real distinct lines forming a triangle. Then the triangle is. Very simple question. Try it. You can give me the correct answer, Kishore. Which option do you think, Kishore, is the right one? So this is not a multi-correct answer question, it is a single correct answer question. Then in that case, which one do you think is the right answer? Very good, Kishore. Right answer is option 1. I'll tell you why. Question number 6, right? Okay. So, you have your line ax square plus 2hxy plus ay square equal to 0. Okay. And clearly if you observe, this pair of straight line is symmetric. This is symmetric. Okay. Symmetric or symmetrical about which line? Your y equal to x, right? Yes, actually, very good. Okay, so this pair of straight line is symmetrical about the line x equals to y or y equal to x. Okay, so if I am drawing, this is my x axis, y axis, okay. Y equal to x, straight line, okay. Then we have our symmetrical lines, say L1 and L2, L1 and L2, and then we have our third line, which is the third line. It is given that x plus y equal to 7, right? So let that line be this. Okay, x plus y equal to 7 is the third line. Okay, so we have our x axis, y axis, and the origin is 0. Okay, perfect. So clearly these two sides or these two lines are equal, you will get, since they are symmetrical about x equals to y. Okay, it act like an angle bisector or an altitude. Okay, so you can conclude that this so-called or so formed triangle can be an isosceles triangle. Okay, it can be an isosceles triangle. Sorry, yes, isosceles triangle. We are not sure about whether it's an equilateral triangle because we don't know about the third side being equal to them or not. But for sure, since two sides are equal because they are symmetrical along x equals to y or y equal to x, it will be an isosceles triangle for sure. Okay, we are not sure whether it is right angled or it is equilateral or not. Okay, so your conclusion will be isosceles. Any doubt? So your answer is what? Option 1 will be your answer for the 6th question. So no doubt so far, right? You all understood all the 6 questions. I'll give you one question as homework as well. The last question, the 7th question, will be your homework. We'll be discussing its solution in the next class, where we will be discussing discussing the previous year questions of pair of straight lines. So take a screenshot or note it down and try to solve it. If the slope of one of these lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0 is a square of the other, then a plus b upon h plus 8h square upon ab is equal to. Take a screenshot. So if you want, I'll tell you the correct option for this question as well, so that while you solve it, you can confirm whether your answer is right or not. Option 2 will be your right answer. Okay, option 2 will be your right answer. 6. Very good, Kishore. Good performance. You have made my day actually, Kishore. Okay, so thank you all for attending the session. And thank you for doing all the questions. I believe you must have become, especially Kishore, have become more confident with the chapter pair of straight lines. These were good questions. Okay. And today at 12:30, we will be having our next session of previous year questions of trigonometric ratios. So do attend and we'll be discussing really good questions for the chapter. Okay. And solution discussion will be also done. Okay, so see you all. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, Kishore.